Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is nauseous. It's pronounced nau-z-us, and it's spelt N-A-U-S-E-O-U-S. Think nous, then e, and then us. Nauseous describes feeling as if you might vomit or be sick. For example, you could say, "The awful smell is making me feel nauseous," after your dad takes off his shoes after work, for example. That's pretty yucky. The word nauseous comes from the ancient Greek nausea, meaning seasickness. It literally meant ship sickness from the root nous, meaning ship or boat. Despite this, the English form seems never to have been restricted to just seasickness, and instead it refers to sickness of any kind. Did you know that some video games can make you feel nauseous? Constantly moving camera angles, characters, and settings on games such as Roblox and Fortnite have reportedly made some players feel sick after longer periods of gameplay. Similar to motion sickness, it can make you feel nauseous. Nauseous is an adjective, and therefore it is used to describe. For example, you could say, "The huge roller coaster made me feel nauseous," if the high speed combined with constant loops and turns makes you feel sick. Remember, nauseous means feeling sick, not actually being sick. Nauseous is defined in the dictionary as affected with nausea, inclined to vomit. Nauseous' synonyms include sick, nauseated, queasy, and unwell. Antonyms include nice, pleasing, soothing, calm, well, and comfortable. Hopefully you won't feel nauseous today, but if you do, make sure you tell someone and then get some rest and relaxation. See if you can use this new word today to point out something that would make you feel sick. For example, if you see someone eating a gigantic pizza, you could say to a friend or family member, "I couldn't eat all of that. It would make me feel nauseous." Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.